Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick comparison video about these two CRM password, which is Zoho CRM and Nutshell CRM. So I'm going to create a quick overview, the strength and the weakness of this platform together with the overall conclusion to help me decide which of these CRM platform will be a best option for you to use in 2025. So to get started with a quick overview, Zoho CRM is a highly customizable enterprise ready CRM platform that fits business of all sizes and integrates with deeply broader Zoho ecosystem with book, mails, and campaign and all of that. Nutshell CRM is a simpler sales-focused CRM built for small to mid-sized teams with a user-friendly interface with fast onboarding and strong pipeline management tools. Now, talking about the strength and weakness of Zoho CRM. So starting with the strength, it has a deep customization option and a workflow together with a strong analytics with AI-powered prediction and multi-channel support. It also seamless with integration with other Zoho tools. I'm talking about the downside of this platform. That is steeper learning curves and can feel bloated at smaller teams. The support can be slow depending on your plan. Now, talking about Nutshell on the other side, revealing the strength, it has an intuitive UI and a fast setup. Also, the strong pipeline management and reporting are okay. Then it has a great customer support and onboarding help. Now, talking about the downside of this platform, that's a fewer integration compared to Zoho Limited and also has unlimited customization with automation. Also, no native marketing tools available. And here's a overall conclusion about this platform. So if you want a powerful scalable system with a rich features and a deep integration, it is ideal for complex workflow and multiple departments. You can just go for Zoho CRM. Then on the other side, if you are a sales focused teams that wants a no fools and easy to learn CRM with a strong pipeline tools and excellent support, just go for Nutshell CRM. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section which of these platforms would be the best option for you. Thanks.